Hi guys, welcome to the DevXP channel. My name is Seth Samuel, and if you have been with us for a while, you notice that all our content over the past few weeks have always been around React. But as you know, this channel is both for React and the Flutter content. So going on from here, we will start mixing the content. So once in a while we do React, once in a while we do Flutter. So we will start alternating between the two. So this is the first video in the Flutter content, and we're going to be talking about something very important, and that is how to not repeat yourself with theming. So if you have watched the previous video, which was on abstractions, right, you notice that it follows the same pattern. This video also follows the same pattern, which is basically don't repeat yourself and build code that you don't have to re-implement over and over again. So if you have not watched the video, I'll be leaving a link to the video in this video, so you can do well as well and check out that video. So basically, if you are an experienced Flutter developer and you have ever worked with themes, Flutter allows you to access that theme with something like the code here. So you usually see something like this, whereby you just get the theme and they give you the context, and then you have the card, and then you give it like the theme that you want to access. So if it's a card theme, if it's a canvas theme, or if it's a text theme, whatever theme it is that you want to access, then you access from there, and then you get the property that you want to get. And when you look at most Flutter codes, you see this kind of pattern repeated over and over and over again, whereby you see like this is taking a lot of space. Well, there's nothing wrong with this, but it takes a lot of space, and then you have to repeat this over and over again. Now, if you're a smart developer, you will just abstract this into a different function, and then just accept that function whenever you need the color. But the problem with that pattern is that you have to repeat that over and over and over in your project. So the good thing is there's a library out there that has already solved this for you. So basically what you just need to do now is just download the library, and whatever project you go, whatever project you start, you can just download the library, and then all of those utility functions are available to you. And the library doesn't just allows just the theming, it also has a lot of utility functions, and I'm sure more are still going to come as time progresses. So let's get right into it. The library's name is Shammo. I'm going to leave a link to the library, the pub URL to the library on the comment section, on the description, so do well to check it out. So basically, so instead of, I've already imported the library from the top, so it's already here. This is it, this is the library here. And then let's say you want to, instead of accessing something like this, what you could just do is, if you import the library, all you could just do is just say card theme, yep, and then just say dot color, and that is it. So you see that long process, now it will just be shortened to this short function, and then you can just access your theme like this. So even this one here, you can do the same thing for this one. So instead of saying theme that can text theme and blah blah blah, and this body latch, all you just need from this code is just this body latch, right? You just want to style. So what you could just do is just remove the whole of this and just type body latch, and that is it. So you just have your code there, you just have your theme there, and you can do it over and over again. So just think about the cheat code about it is, just think about if you need to access a just think about like the name of the theme, right? So let's say in this case, what you're looking for is the card theme, right? So this is what is most important to you. So this is the thing that you're trying to access. So that's the reason why you could just shorten it to this. So this just gives you the card theme, and for the text, just get the last property. So like this one, the reason why this one is the last property instead of card theme, instead of text theme, you're getting the last thing is because then the body has its own property. So think about it this way. So whenever you're trying to access something that has other properties, so say for example you're trying to access like a class or something that's other properties, just get the name of the last class. So in this case, the body large. But if it's just the property that you're trying to access, then you could just give the name of that property. So in this case, what the last property I want to access is the body large, and that's why it's short like that. So, and like I said, okay, let me just do this body large, and then you give it the styling for the body large that's coming from your theme will come here. Now, like I said, it has more uses than just for theming. So say for example this push. So instead of doing the navigator of material, whatever, however you want to navigate, like how Flutter navigation works, instead of doing that whole long thing, you can just say push here, and then you just give it the component that you want to push, and then you push. And if you guess it, the same way for named routes, so you can just give route name and then give the name of the route, and that's all. You push it. And one of the cool utilities that it gives that I really love is you can give a utility to just show your bottom sheet, right? So instead of if you have ever implemented Flutter bottom sheets, you know that it's a really complicated thing, right? So what you could just do is, instead of doing that whole thing, you could just say open bottom sheet, and then give the children of the bottom sheet, and that is all. So text, and just give it whatever children want to give it. So these are going to be widgets, so you're going to be text, and boom, and that's all. Your text is there, and everything will work out fine. And you can even customize how it looks, so you can give something like mean width, mean height, and then it does the mean height thing. And you can do the full mean width, and then it does the mean width thing. Whatever it is that you want to do, it can handle for you. Another thing that you could also do apart from just this is it allows you to also do something like confirm action. So let's say for example now you have an action that you want to confirm, so all you have to just do is just say confirm action, then you can give the name of the action that you want to confirm. So you can say action, let me see, you can say message, which is the message that's going to be displayed. So are you sure you want to continue or something? Basically that's the default message that it shows. So you can say confirm, which is the action that's going to be shown. So you can say yes, and then you can say unconfirm. You can give it unconfirm, and that is it. And from here, the whole idea of building pop-ups in Flutter has just been shortened to this. So this pop-up just shows, and then whatever styling you give your pop-up from Flutter, it also works here perfectly. So I hope you find this video useful, and like I said, it's a utility library, and it has a lot of utilities, not just for theming, not just for styles, but everything that you could possibly need. And I know that they're working more on it over and over again to see how to make it better. And by the way, this is a library that I built. This is a library that I built by myself, and I'll be open to contributions. So just sit down and think about libraries so just come and think about utilities that you want to share. So something like if you want to implement the percent calculator, then you can just calculate your percentages like this, and they give you the number, let's say 1000%, and what percentage you want to give it, 10%, and then it gives you the percentage. And you can see more of this kind of utilities over and over again. So if you have an idea of any utility that you want to add, just just fork the repo, add your utilities, and send a PR. I'm sure to review it, and to also merge it if you find this thing useful. So I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.